Everyone, I'm going to make some Valentine earrings. I'll call it frosted strawberries. I'm going to put a heart on, a spacer, and my little red heart on. Looks almost like a strawberry. A white crystal, and that's about a 6mm. And if I'm not mistaken, that's an 8mm bead cap, a 6mm crystal, another bead cap. And these have fairly big holes in them, so I'm going to have to be careful because I just did a pair earlier, and whenever I wrapped around it, it just wanted to fall right through. So we'll take our heart, our spacer, our white bead, our big cap, our red bead, and our white bead. We could call it frost-covered strawberries or snow-covered strawberries. But yeah, I want to do some different ones for Valentine's, so that's why all the hearts here lately. So we'll take it, roll it around. And I'm going to try to wrap this one a little loose because I've already experienced it going through the top of this bead hole on a different one. So I don't know that I wrap loose at all, so try not to pull it as tight as normal. Let's see. Well, as long as that tail's there, it'll hold it, but as soon as I cut that tail off, I guarantee it's going through. Maybe I'll just leave a little bit of that tail there to hold it. Get as close as I can to it. Well, I'm not going to scoot that tail all the way in, but I'm going to scoot it in a little bit. Because otherwise it lets my bead fall through or past my wrap. Right. Take it. Hold it down. Allow for your wrap. Go across. That rain we had over the weekend, we've got a little leak in our roof somewhere, and they're going to have to tar it. Get my boys up here and hopefully get some tar down. There's always something in it. Oop, I knocked it. My husband ain't able to, so. Don't think I loosened that one up too much. Okay, now let's put the ear wires on. And I like to put them on with the front. You see the difference? You can see that it's flush up here and it's not flush on the back side. I like to have them hanging the same way. Twist it back. Make sure it's closed. Make sure your ear wire will not come off. Open it up. Look for the same direction. Put it on. Twist it back. Okay. There's our earrings. Y'all, I really thank you for watching and sticking it out to the end. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe. It helps me out. And y'all take care out there. And until next time, bye-bye.